Alright guys, today I'm doing a review on this Daiya gluten-free crust pizza, and it's their Supreme, and it is dairy-free, gluten-free, high fiber, plant-based. So yeah, check that out. And these are the ingredients. If you guys want to read it, pause the video. There we go, let's open this up. And we're going to do a quick taste test. So this was on sale. That's what it looks like. Alright guys, I'm going to cook this up and I'll be right back. Alright guys, here's the Daiya pizza. I've tried Daiya pizza before, and this one looks a lot better than the ones I've tried in the past. I wonder if they changed up the formula. And it looks like more like legitimate pizza now. So, it was really dark before. Yeah, surprisingly. I'm going to grab a small piece right here. It's hot. There it is right there. It really does feel like they changed the formula a bit. It tastes better than the old one. Yeah, actually, yeah, it tastes a little different. I don't know, I can't put my finger on what they changed, but there's a lot more flavor to this one. So, if you have any questions, comments, guys, post below, subscribe to the channel.